Today, 6th of May, people of Pacific, on behalf of citizens of country Papua New Guinea, we are now standing here to declare ourselves that we are ready to go and fight against Indonesian soldiers for helping our people of West Papua. Our people of West Papua suffering for a long time, and our government does not have an initiative to support our people of West Papua. Therefore, we, the people of Pacific, we are ready to go and support to Indonesian government as called them. They are terrorists, but they are not the terrorists. They are fighting for their land as a citizen of West Papua. They are original landowner. They are fighting for their land. Indonesian, you are the thief. You are stepping in and trying to stealing their resources, and you are trying to kill them and make all kinds of things. Therefore, right now I'm here to stand and support and declare that my group, on behalf, we are standing to fight against Indonesian soldier. Thank you.